In this video, I'm going to share my review of Hugo's boutique adults-only hotel in St. Julians, Malta. My name is Marilee Blair, and I've been to 56 countries, so my goal is to bring you those peak experiences exploring the world one video at a time with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to support this channel. Now, let's get into the Hugo's boutique hotel in Malta. Hugo hotels are definitely a dare-to-be-different chain of hotels that capture the glamour and vibe of the Maltese islands. Set against a breathtaking backdrop of the beach and entertainment district, their hotels have 200 luxurious rooms and suites, with either town or bay views. Strategically located in St. Julians, which is the main party area of Malta, and culinary hotspots with a wide range of restaurants, bars, a mall, and nightclubs within walking distance. My husband and I went to Hugo's boutique hotel a few weeks ago in April 2024, and since it was the last country we were staying in for our 2.5-week Euro trip together, we 100% chose this hotel because of their modern, luxurious suites and location. They have so many gorgeous rooms at the Hugo's main hotel and this one we stayed at, which is the Hugo's boutique hotel. It's an adults-only hotel located in St. Julians, but the reason we chose this hotel is because of all the suites, the one we loved the most was the luxury suite jetted tub partial sea view room. Because to us, it was our favorite room of all of them. And when we arrived, it was even more amazing in person than pictures do justice. Not only was it incredibly modern, but when you enter the room, the technology is incredible. You hit a button and the curtains rise open, bringing in this beautiful natural light that showcases the beauty and interior design of this gorgeous room with the amazing large jet overlooking the sea and other buildings. It's incredibly spacious, has a mirror above the bed, has free coffee and tea, and fridge with alcohol and other drinks for purchase, and they do include 2 free waters in the room daily. Cost for this room was $350.83 for 2 nights, which is $175.41 a night, which is an amazing deal for a luxurious modern room with a giant jacuzzi with a view of the beach for 3 days and 2 nights. We only had to pay $2.18 for taxes for the 2 of us at the hotel when we arrived. This deal is way better than most luxury hotels in Europe. It's definitely the best that we've ever spent for any hotel in Europe for what we got and where we live in California, especially for how big of a room it is, the free 2 waters a day, and the free coffee and tea in the room. Seriously, the price was worth every penny, so if we ever come back here, I would 100% stay here again for that luxurious, romantic feeling my husband and I were looking for. Amenities and activities. During the summer, Hugo Hotels turns into a lively destination with live DJs performing by the infinity pool every afternoon, and theme parties are hosted on the rooftop until the early hours of the morning. Plus, one of the best parts of Hugo's hotel experience for those seeking ultimate relaxation and wellness, they offer a haven of tranquility at their brand new Charisma Spa and Wellness, conveniently located on level -1 at the main Hugo's hotel, for all guests to enjoy for free if you are staying there. Of course, if you get a massage or another service, you just have to pay for that. But indulge in a rejuvenating experience with their adventure shower, steam room, sauna, salt and relax room, and adjacent to the spa, you will find their indoor heated swimming pool where you can unwind and enjoy a soothing swim with plenty of day beds to relax after. Pools. So they have 2 pools. The infinity pool at Hugo's boutique adults only hotel, but it's seasonal, so it wasn't open when we were there. It opens during the summer and warmer months. And of course, the second pool is the heated indoor pool in the main Hugo's hotel at the spa, which was so nice to enjoy since it was colder when we traveled there, so we loved being in the warm indoor pool, and it had all these beautiful vibrant colors in that space while we were in that heated pool. Food and drinks. There are so many restaurants and bars to enjoy, walking distance from the hotel within minutes. And they even have a restaurant property too. So you have unlimited options right around you. Transportation. The Malta International Airport is only 15 minutes from this hotel, and it's easy. You can use a taxi from the airport, Uber, or the other famous rideshare app that they use here is Bolt. So overall, I would give this hotel 5 stars for all it had, since we loved our modern luxury suite so much, with the giant jacuzzi, with a great view of the beach from our room, the fact that it was an adults-only hotel, how much there was to do, like the free spa and heated pool, the location, it helped be in walking distance to the beach and so many restaurants, the other Hugo hotel, cafes, grocery stores, gelato, dessert spots, and being located to so much more. Plus, the price. It was extremely reasonable here in Malta. If we were in Italy or Greece, or even, again, where we live in San Diego, this room would be way, way, way more expensive. So, again, to enjoy a suite like this for the price was such a great deal. Plus, if you are into the club scene, it helped being so close to the nightclub. So if you're not, the only thing is, if you want to get a really good sleep, then I wouldn't recommend staying here, as you can hear the club music in your room until at least 4 in the morning. It didn't really bother me or my husband that much, but I can see how if you're coming here for just a relaxing trip, you might want to choose a different location in Malta and not stay in the party scene, which is St. Julian's. So I hope this review has helped you decide if you will enjoy the HUGOS Boutique Adults Only Hotel and even enjoy our room. Thank you all for exploring the world one video at a time with me, your own personal bougie budgeter. If you found this hotel review helpful, check out my Pullman Paris Eiffel Tower YouTube video that people really enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And look for brand new episodes every Wednesday. Safe travels and see you next week.